Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to resolve the cv.imread issue which we get from OpenCV 4.level.0 in a JavaScript application. So here you can see that I have this application, and what basically it does is that it blends these two images into a single one. I mean, you can take even a more simpler use case where you are just trying to read the image. Okay, so I'll just click on this convert button. Like I said, I'm using 4.level.0. Now this code which I have written over here, I'll show you the code in a bit, used to work fine till 4.9.0, but it is throwing errors. So I'll just show you, like this particular method is not recognized. Okay, so I'll just show it to you. I'll just click on convert, and here you can see I'm getting this type error, cv.im.read is not a function. So this basically happens from OpenCV version 4.level.0. so to work around this, okay, what you will need to do is, what I have done, I have created a simple application using Vite. You can use any framework or vanilla HTML, CSS and JavaScript as well. It's just that I wanted to use TypeScript, that's why I'm using Vite. It has proper TypeScript configuration out of the box, so I don't have to do any configuration. If you see I'll quickly show you guys the code. So inside public I have added these two images, lake 1 and lake 2, and if you see my index.html, this is the index. First I am loading this opencv.js file, which I'll come back to in a bit. I have created this file, and here is our TypeScript file which I have defined, where I am writing all the code. Here I have just defined one image element, here is second image element, here is our button, and to display the output I have this canvas. Now coming back to this opencv.js file, I have just copy pasted this code from this particular documentation. So first you have to go to this particular documentation to check whatever is the latest OpenCV version. So it is 4.level.0 at the time of me recording this video. So you can just go to docs.opencv.org/4.level.0/opencv.js, and you will see something like this. You just have to copy this entire code and paste it inside opencv.js. It's quite long, it almost around 7,000 lines of code. Okay, that's it. Then just come to script tag. Here you can see I'm just getting hold of our images, button as well as our canvas element. And typically I think till OpenCV version 4.9.0 we used to define something like this, right? Like I don't need to initialize this CV, it is already present inside opencv.js file, so we can directly take it. Okay, and on button click we used to write this particular logic, right? cv.imread, something like this. But since OpenCV 4.level.0, we can't directly use cv.imread, we have to use something like this, cv.then. So it uses the concept of promises, so you have to wait for this. So here it is load, and everywhere instead of cv you will have to write cv2. So I'll just replace it over here, over here, over here, over here, as well as over here, and I'll just do Command S to save. Now it should work. If I go back to our application, if I click on convert, and here you can see it is able to blend the images. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.